Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today, I'm outside in my garden. I'm gonna show you an update of how my plants are doing right now. It's still cold in Canada in this part of spring. It's already second week of May, but still our temperature is low. I think it's about 13 degrees Celsius today. It's a little bit cold for the plants. Well, the sun is up, but it's still cold. If you can see, my tulips are okay. They're doing fine. They're blooming. But not everything is good because some of the plants are still inside. I cannot put them out because of the cold weather. So come on, and I will show you my other plants, my fruit trees, and everything that I have in my garden. First, I'm showing you here my seedlings or my plants which are still in my windows in the kitchen. These have been growing big, tall, and pale because they are inside, and they cannot grow very well because of lack of outside the air and oxygen outside. You know, they've been stuck in my windows for so long. I have planted this from seeds way back in March, and now it's already May. So look at my beans. It's been climbing up in my window and grabbing all the other plants. It's so skinny and tiny, and you know, it really needs to go outside. This one is my zucchini. Look, it's already starting to fruit. There are flowers there, but oh, for sure it needs nutrient so that it will be bigger. Also, here are my dwarf sunflower. They're so tall and skinny and so thin. Look at that. They're climbing up in my window up there. I wish I could put them outside as soon as possible. So that's the problem now here because the temperature is still low. In the evening, it's about 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, so it's not right for the plants. Look in my other window, I also have other plants crowding out there. I have oregano and some mint, and these ones are my bigger sunflower. See how skinny they are and crooked because it's not the right place for them to grow. So I really wish I could put them outside as soon as possible. Hopefully in the next week I would be able to do that. So I'm giving hope for my plants.